Hello everybody, today we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sedicus 5th edition. This is question number 1.36. The question is a battery may be rated in ampere hours. A lead acid battery is rated at 160 ampere hours. The first part of the question is what is the maximum current it can supply for 40 hours? And the second part is how many days will it last if it is discharged at 1 milliamps? Okay, so you have read the question, but we don't know whether we can solve this problem immediately without understanding the question properly. So whenever something is given, you should understand the thing with the help of the units given. That is important here. So a battery is rated at 160 ampere hours. That is the clue we are getting. Okay, so this is the unit. So from the unit we can understand that the ampere is the unit of current and the hours is the unit of this time, isn't it? So I into T, if you have this product of I and T, that is nothing but the charge Q, isn't it? So this formula we get. And what is asked here? What is the maximum current? So I is asked. That means this given data is nothing but the Q is given because the unit is ampere hours, isn't it? So you are asked to find out the maximum current. That means we need to find out this current I. So now you can rewrite this formula as I is equal to Q by T. So what's the value of Q? Q is 160 divided by what is the time here given in your question? It is 40 hours, isn't it? So 160 ampere hours is given divided by the time in 40 hours. So it is 40 hours. So HH get cancelled in the unit, right? You get the ampere. That is nothing but the unit of this current I, isn't it? So this I is equal to 160 divided by 40 amps. So that is equal to 4 amps. So this is your answer. First part is over, that is solved. The answer is 4 amps. Now we move on to the second one. How many days will it last if it is discharged at 1 milliamps? Again from this, we have to understand that the given thing is Q equal to 160 ampere hours, isn't it? How many days? So the days is also related to time T, right? So the question is T. So the relationship between T and Q is Q equal to IT. We need to find out T in the sense T is equal to Q by I. Q value is given as 160 ampere hours, and how many days will it last if it is discharged at 1 milliamps? It is given, right? 1 milliamps, it is converted into amperes, means 1 into 10 power minus 3 amps. So this ampere and ampere get cancelled, right? So you are getting the unit in hours. So now time is equal to 160 into bringing this 10 power minus 3 to the numerator, it becomes 10 power 3 hours. So T is equal to 160000 hours. This much hours. But what is asked? How many days? So we need to give the proper answer, right? So how many days? We know that 24 hours make 1 day. So if you want, so in order to convert this hours into day, you need to divide it by 24 hours. So it is T is equal to 160,000 hours divided by 24 hours, right? Because 24 hours makes a day. So HH get cancelled. That means it is being converted into a day per day. So what's the answer for this? It is 6,666.67 days. So you can approximate it as 6,667 days. Okay, so this is the answer now for the second part. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understood.